Alright, buddy. Welcome back. We are going to learn a little bit about Boolean. It's really useful. We're going to show you real quick in Lua and then how to use it in the program. So for Boolean logic, there's three types that we're going to mainly use. It's called and, or not. So let's do a simple example of an if statement. And then we'll do an example of an and with the if statement. That way you see what it means. So if let's see, v equals 1, all right? If v is equal to 1, then print value, then print v, and, all right. So it'll print 1, right? Let's put u equals 2. Now, this is where the and Boolean logic comes in. So we can compare two things at the same time in an if statement. Same thing with a for loop and a while loop. And if those two things aren't true, then then whatever our statement is asking for doesn't get executed. So let me show you. So if v equals 1 and u equal u equals 2, then print both working. Okay, that's if both things are true, we will get that print statement to tell us both working. Okay, both working, great. If this is not true, if u does not equal 2, but instead we're asking to compare it to 3, so if u does not equal 3, that means if neither of these statements are true about b or u, then nothing will happen. We won't get anything, okay? So that's Boolean logic for and. Now let's go with or. So with or, at least one of the two things that are being asked must be true, and then we will get that print statement to show up. So let's take this out. Instead of and, we put or, then enter, and we get that print statement. That's the difference between and or. Now we're going to go with not. So if not u equals 3, then print. So if this isn't true, like u equals 3, so this is going to be okay, so this is true, right? But we're going to say it's not true. And if this is not true, then we print things out. Okay, I think I might have confused you there. Yep, so you won't get anything. All right. Let's see. Okay, so let me give you another example of not. Okay, so our our robot should be able to detect that there's something in front of it, right? So if we say if turtle dot detect, then print detected, right? So we should get detected. Now, if we put not in front of the turtle.detect, it'll give us the opposite. So not, that means that if there is something there, the print block will not display. So enter, right? So we get nothing. It's just, it reverses our logic. So if I say, hey, this is true, no, it's not true. And so if I said it is true and it is true, we get that that print statement, but because we're reversing it, we get nothing at all. All right? And that's some of the basic Boolean that we're going to use. So just remember it. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments, and I will help you as best I can. Okay? I'll try to give more examples as well as we go. All right. Bye, Bug.